Hey guys, it is Byeol of Ever Productions. Hello everybody. I'm here today to do a unboxing. As you can see, I've got this Japanese snack and I got it from an Asian supermarket, and I thought, heck, why not? I hate this stuff from last time. I don't know if I'll like it anymore this time compared to the last time, so let's give it a shot. This is the one. I got this one because there was a few other ones I really wanted to get, but I'm like, okay, and I got to choose one and, you know, buckle down on that. This one because I thought, I don't know how good this will be, because I tried the candy before. The candy was so I'm trying this one. I saw people do this one online, but I want to try it myself, so why not? Alright, so, before we begin, hit the bell button for the next notification so that we, know when our next video is up. Comment down below if you want us to do some other kind of thing, so that way we know, because we're not mind readers. Alright, so let's get on with it. Alright, so there's a little tab at the bottom here, and open, and thank goodness this one has a translation, because when I first got it, it didn't have many translations into English, and this one, thank goodness, they translated it. So whoever imported them, bugged the manufacturer to make sure they have English. When I had it, it was all Japanese. Alright, so let's... So, my dog's over there. Absolutely confused. As usual. Right, bud? Yeah, he's giving me the face of what? So, alright. Ooh, okay. Okay, so it's all in this bag here. Alright. Alright. Whee! Okay, so we got like 4 packs of powder. Oh, 5, sorry. I miscounted. My bad. Alright, a cup for the soda, which I have no idea where it will go. Okay, so I cut them all up. Hopefully I don't make a mess. And there we go. Alright. And then that little bob here. Alright, so what I'm gonna need to do is I'll have to measure the exact amount of water right down there. So it has to go to the lip, not to the bottom. So if I was to do that. Okay, so I guess let's make French fries first. Because who doesn't like fries? Alright. So luckily I do have a bottle of water here. Okay, so I don't need it in that one, according to the instructions. Who think, like comment below what you think will end up tasting better than the others. Let me know if you think the fries will taste better, if you think the burger will taste better, the drink, or what else was there? Some sort of oh, there's 2 burgers. Yes, 2 burgers and fries with fake ketchup and soda. So tell me what you think will taste better. I personally have no idea which one will taste better, but let's give it a go. I don't know if you can kind of see that, but okay, here it is. Alright. Okay. So far, no mess on my bed. Oh, that would suck if it did. Okay, so potato candy powder. Potato candy powder. So weird. Alright, let's get along with it. Ugh! How do I open this? Oh, there we go. Okay. Open. Yay! Okay, so I am opening the right one, right? Blue packet. There's no other blue packet. And I did one. Okay. 1 full. Okay, good. This is really the only fun part. Oh, I made a little bit of a mess, but whatever. Close enough. Okay, so... Okay, I need a spoon to kind of, like, mix the dough. Okay, spoon time! Spoon time! I'll bring it up a little higher. So, one, it'll be easier for me, and then two, you guys can see better. So far, the color doesn't look very, fries-like. I don't know. I feel like there's not enough water, but we'll see. They said to me, one. This is one. Why does this look so dry still? Why does it look dry? Why? Maybe I wasn't quite to the brim. Let's add a little bit more. And hopefully it would save it. Okay, couple drops. Put a couple drops of extra water in there. Because I feel like that was what is causing this overly dryness. And I didn't want too much in there because it's gonna be harder to measure that into that little cup thing. So it'd be easier just to kind of just add dabs of water, a couple drops. Especially for something so small. Okay, it's still too dry. Oh my gosh, it's like crumbles. That should be enough in theory. Alright. Time to mix again! Mixing. Okay. I think this is probably the best I'm gonna get from this, so... I wanna flatten this out with the spoon. Even though they said to use my hand, I don't really want to stick my fingers in there right now. I think that's pretty darn flat. I don't know. You guys think that looks flat? I think it looks flat. Okay, so we'll leave that in there just to sit. And we'll start mixing the other stuff so we can make something better. Okay, so I'll need 4 cups for this into this thing. Am I right? Yes. No, but I have to mix it in here first. Okay. Use the orange packet. So this time around, they actually right. The bun candy powder. I'm looking for the buns! Oh my gosh. Alright. Let's move that to the side. Put that one there. Woo! Okay. So let's move this powder over the spoon over here. I'm getting English bad. I'm my English bad. Why is it okay, no, never mind, it's just a lighting. I thought it looked purple. And I was like, what is the bun? Why powder look purple? So that looks decent. Like, I think I got it all in there. Okay, here's one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think I'm getting better at getting it, the water down. 4. Alright, 4 in there. There we go. Alright, now to put the lid back on my water bottle. Okay, now to mix the powder. This looks kind of weird. I feel like the color in the pictures is so much more saturated than the one that I have. I'm really trying to mix this into it and have everything well mixed together. There we go. Starting to look pretty decent now. So much. Looks pretty darn well mixed-ish. Sort of. I hope. I think! Okay, so I'm supposed to divide this into 2 parts, which goes into here. Minus that thing. Nice fat ball of dough. Okay. There we go. That's more or less like 2 pretty darn even balls of dough, I guess. 1 and 2. Put that there. And I think that they want us to like kind of make this into a nice even ball ish. Okay, there's one. Sort of feels even. Sort of. Okay. Now I'm gonna push that down. Mash it down like the instructions want me to. Oh, that feels pretty decent. There we go. And now for the patty. Gosh. Alright. Now I'm gonna need 4 cups of the triangles of the other one again. This with this. Alright. Let's do that. And add her 2. And yeah, it says patty powder, if you can see right there. Alright. In she goes. Alright. There she is. Shake her out. And here comes the water, guys. You know what? I'm gonna have fun with this last part. Instead of using water, I'm gonna use soda. Let's use soda! Oh, that's a great idea. Let's do that. Let's do that! Oh, that'd be fun. So I might have to add a little bit more because soda does have a little bit of air in it, so it might not measure up to be exactly that amount. So let's do it. Let's see if it will make it taste better. Here's the soda. Don't spill, don't spill. Okay, there we go. Here's one. You need a sizzle. 2. Oh, okay, that was a little bit too much, but okay. But then again, it has some air in it, so that's okay. Okay, there we go. There's 3. This is gonna taste weird. Maybe, maybe not. I might actually save it. This is like, oh, this is gonna be interesting. Okay, this is gonna be good. Oh my god, that's our burger flavored patty. Maybe it doesn't want to mix really well with soda. I don't know, but I'm gonna try. We're gonna give it a shot. Okay, so this one will be liquidy for a while, and it'll become firm in like, what, 10 minutes. So, I was wondering for half a second. And I'm like, why is it so, stiff? Not stiff, it's so liquidy. And, I was wondering if it was maybe because my concoction. Hey, Lucario. You know what I did with the burger patty concoction?
What?
Instead of adding water, guess what I add?
Coke.
Yeah! I'm adding Coke!
Oh gosh.
Yep. It's candy anyway!
True.
You know, one day we should just buy a couple and then you and I will both do it. That's like together. What do you guys think? Should we do that? I can definitely feel it stiffer now. Mixing, 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 I'm mixing, mixing, and I'm mixing. Doo-dee-doo-dee-doo. Okay, I think that's good. I'll move that out of the way. And then put it in here. I'm so tempted to take a taste. Just to see if the Coke would actually make it taste better. I could go taste. Oh my god. Oh my god. It redeemed it. I don't know what the original taste was, but it redeemed it. It's like chocolatey and it tastes good. Oh my gosh. What the heck? The soda makes things taste better now. Here we go. Because I'm gonna need this right here. Okay. There we go! Okay. So here's the fries. It's gonna turn out cutting because I'm cutting on a soft area here. Okay, I'm gonna put something underneath and hope it will help keep it steady. So excuse me for a second while I try to figure things out. Okay. Uh-oh. Maybe I waited too long. Or maybe I didn't add enough water. Might be a combination. Le chef Byeol is here, and she will make you a delightful, delicious, non-gourmet candy dinner. Not even a dinner. Okay, almost there, almost there. There's one more fry! Or two more! Two more! Yay! I got more fries! Here's the fries. And she ain't McDonald's either. There we go! Them fries. Awesome! Okay, awesome. Now, I have to get my ketchup? Is this my ketchup? Cheese! I'm making cheese! Okay. 1 cup. There we go. And then, time to make the cheese. Wait, where's my cheese powder? The yellow packet. Didn't I just use the yellow packet? Wait. Oh, there's the yellow packet. Here's the yellow packet. Oh, here. And it's for cheese. There we go. Now we'll mix them up. This actually kind of looks like cheddar. This color. I have to admit, this one looks pretty darn good. The cheese. It makes me think of cheese. It smells like something, but I'm not quite sure what to put, like, how to describe the scent. It smells like. It smells like Crush soda. It legit smells like Crush soda. There we go. Put that over there so I can shape it out. Just cutting the corners. Not quite literally, like, to get corners, I should say. Oh my gosh, it smells like Crush, but now it smells like bananas. Like synthetic bananas. Don't ask me why. It smells like synthetic bananas. I feel like this is gonna taste nasty. Like, I hate synthetic banana flavors. Apparently it's supposed to taste like the original, like, Big Boss banana, but I don't know. Never had those because those are extinct. I call it the Big Boss banana. They're like the original bananas. Right now, the new bananas that we're eating is not the original bananas flavor. And flavor and yeah, I don't know. So, in case you're wondering what's going on with my camp setup this time, I got myself a replacement webcam because my original one was lost somewhere, and that thing is old now. So, I'm using a new one, which has a higher quality video resolution anyway. The old one was like HD, but it was like 720. The old HD, now this one's 180. So, sorry, I'm not spending that much money for a 4K webcam, because I don't know how many of you would actually be able to tell it's 4K. So, since most of you probably won't be able to tell, there's really no point. Plus, you're probably watching on a mobile device, so it doesn't really matter. Alright. Gonna flatten that out. Gonna shape it. And then, there we go. Cut it in half. There we go. I guess that's what they want me to do. And then now for the ketchup! Voila! The ketchup pack. That's one. Why is it so darn hard to open? I feel like this was going to be strawberry flavored. I'll assemble it, but I'll disassemble it to try each flavor individually, so it's not as messed up. Except for my burger patty, where I messed it up purposely for a different flavor. It's brown anyway. And it's going to come out. Okay. I think that's it. Go. It's a little horrifying to look at. The red. It's so red! It's so natural. Oh my gosh, just look how red that is. That's kind of scary, actually. Like, look at that. Well, maybe because I mixed it so well now, it doesn't look so scary. It actually looks like ketchup now, but a little bit on the bloody side. Would you guys eat this if it was you? Would you guys try this? My crazy concoction one where I added soda to it. Who would eat it? I know I would. Just know what it tastes like. Okay. And now I'm going to assemble the ingredients. Okay, I don't know if this is how sturdy that one is. This one here looks very rubbery. So this one, it could be better. This is gonna be interesting. Okay. Here we go. Top patty. Right there. Okay. I feel like this is not quite stiff enough. Because it's not really coming out really well. Maybe it wasn't quite 10 minutes yet for it. I don't know. Or maybe it's time confused. Come on, come on. You can do it. There we go. Oh my god. Ah! No, 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 no. It looks horrible, but it looks really funny at the same time. Okay. Okay, so let's try to make a... This one's kind of small. Let me see if I can steal it from this one. Yeah, that one looks a little taller. Okay. Let's try to make a McDouble. Just gonna slice through the top part. Okay. There we go. Okay. There's the bottom. Okay. Oh my god. This is so funny. Okay. Let's see if we can stack this. There we go. Ah, stay. Here we go. Cheese. And cheese. On this one. There we go. Ah! Nope, stay. Okay. And now, for the ketchup. There we go. A little bit on the fries. This actually tastes really good. The strawberry. That tastes very good. Okay, last part. My soda. My soda! Now how do I do my soda? Okay, that's where it's supposed to be. There's the water. Time to turn it into a cola. She fizzes! Stop fizzing. So high. My gosh, she fizzes! Oh! She fizzes! Ooh. Oh, yeah! Oh my gosh, no wonder you're telling me not to fill it all the way up to the lip. Whoa. Oh! No. No. I have my drink here. It came with my meal.
You want your pizza?
Yes. Alright, here it is. My very ugly, but also very time-consuming meal. And damn, she looks pretty darn good. Like,
Oh, sorry.
my burger's falling apart.
Oh no.
It's like a leaning tower of burger. Here it is. It's even fizzing soda.
That's
The
cute.
soda fizzes.
That's cute.
She fizzes.
It's cute.
Alright, what should I try first? Burger? Double cheeseburger? Fries? I'm leaving the pop for last. I'm really looking forward to that. I think that's gonna be the redeeming part. That soda is gonna be redeeming.
Burger.
Burger? Regular burger?
Yeah.
Okay, the good looking burger. Okay. Here it is. Alright. I'm gonna try this one and then like later on we'll use the other one as the dissecting. Okay. Ah.
How's it?
Not bad. It kind of it tastes like medicine. It tastes like cough syrup. It was more entertaining to make than it does to taste.
Yeah.
Alright, let's try the fries. Go with the strawberry syrup. Come here. It's fries with ketchup. That one doesn't taste that bad. Go. Ah! What do you think, bro? Okay, so now to dissect it. Alright, so let's take apart the patty from everything else. So before I disassemble, let's show you my very, very sad,
Steak.
yeah, here it is. Cheese, patty, burger patty, bun, patty, bun. Alright, so here it is. Now time to try this. Go to Alright, patty, bun with ketchup, in other words, strawberry sauce.
Stop licking me.
Ow.
Stop licking my foot. Okay, you love my body.
Okay, so the bun doesn't taste that bad.
Oh.
Kind of bland, but it tastes not bad. Okay, now for the cheese. I think the flavor where it tastes like medicine is coming from the burger patty. Tastes like rubber. Alright, on a serious note, that didn't have much flavor. It tastes really weird on its own. Probably because it's really small. But yeah. It smelled better when I was mixing it than I was eating it. Not gonna lie. Okay, now here is the actual burger patty, which looks like fudge. Right there. It looks like a piece of shit. It looks like a piece of shit right now. Alright. Oh. It tastes like, it just literally tastes like chocolate and, it tastes like chocolate and soda. That wasn't that bad. I think it was the combination somehow, where it combines together, that makes it taste like medicine somehow. Individually, it doesn't taste bad. I have no idea why. But since I already tried it, let's try it like combined like this. See if it was the combination between the burger bun and the patty. This looks like a breakfast sandwich, like those McDonald's or Tim Hortons burger, like breakfast sandwich with the meat inside. That's what it looks like right here. That's what it looks like. I don't know. I kind of want to blame the cheese. I think it's cheese combined. Yeah. Yeah, but I think it's cheese combined together with the other stuff. Yeah, it makes it taste really bad. Okay, try it again. I just can't put my finger on what it tastes like. It tastes like something I had before. I never had this version of the Japanese candy, so I don't know what it is. There's something about it. Oh my gosh. I really like the strawberry though. Not gonna lie. Alright. Last but not least, soda. And what I'll do, I'll compare it to actual soda. Alright, so DIY soda from Japanese candy versus real soda. Alright. Okay, that was the fake soda. It looks better than it was than it tastes. And then real soda. Yeah, real soda tastes better. I'll down it. I'll give it another shot. Like a sip and see how if it changes my mind. It tastes like somebody is trying to make medicine taste like soda, but failing. So it's kind of like this weird sweet bitterness, and at the same time, it's just like really weird. I don't know what to think about it. I don't hate it. I don't love it. It's just this weirdness to me. But yeah, if you like this video, remember to hit the like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell family, have better directions. Hit the notifications bell button so that way you'll know when our next video is out. Remember to love your neighbors as yourself, and thanks for watching. And comment below if you want to see more of these videos, because I would love to know if you want to see more of this stuff, less of this stuff, or would you rather me just go back to my skill sets, which is mainly focusing on ASMR audio. Yeah. I don't know. You're gonna have to tell me. So, thanks for watching. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Like, what else am I supposed to say? I don't usually broadcast or do these kind of videos very much. So, yeah. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Peace out, because that's my dog.